Here we are testing.
Testing the washing machine.
The reason why Helen's bucketing water is because water for free comes off the roof when it rains. However, the water that comes out the tap, there has to be pumped with an electric pump. And the electric pump uses a lot of electricity to pump water. And at night, if the electric pump has used too much power during the rainy season, it's cloudy, so there's not as much solar power. So if the electric pump uses too much power, then they have to run the diesel generator.
Minor detail. The hose.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Hose should not be.
Can you go find your little rope I gave you? We need it to tie up the hose. Otherwise the water just flows right out of the washing machine if the hose isn't up high enough.
No, not high.
We can try again.
Meanwhile, James is washing your car. Meanwhile,
I'm going to turn off the water.
while we were tying up the hose back there, it filled up most of the way. So we're not sure if the bucket.
It did.
We think the
I
bucket worked.
think it did. But all my soap went on the floor, the ground.
Uh-oh. So there's the solar-powered washing machine. The solar panels are on a different house over on campus. So, while Mommy's using her stick to wash clothes, the washing machine behind Timothy's washing clothes too. I just plumbed this in to that outside spigot here. There wasn't a T with a valve, so I just plumbed that in, and I just put that electrical outlet there to plug the washing machine in. It's all done to jungle shade tree electrical code.
And here's the happy missus because of it.